Harmony of the Seas is officially getting the royal treatment in April of 2026, and the recipe is changing in a massive way. Harmony is the latest to get the Utopia-style upgrades during its dry dock in Cadiz, Spain. Now the roadmap? Well, let me spell it out for you. So in the next 30 minutes, we are covering every deck change, the new room categories, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the current price for those elusive new suites. We're talking over 90 brand new staterooms that are being carved out of what seems like thin air, a record-breaking casino, and a suite category that is going to change how you book Oasis-class ships forever. But there is a secret that I will share with you when you can snag pre-amplification prices on rooms that don't technically even exist yet. Stick with me to the end and I'll show you exactly how to score big and which deck plans to watch for to save thousands on your 2026 and 2027 sailings. All right, let's swan dive right into it. Welcome back to the show. I'm Cynthia, your host. No fooling around. Let's get right into it. Royal Caribbean is pulling a magic trick during this May 2026 amplification. They are adding at least 91 new staterooms to Harmony. And here is exactly where they're hiding them. Let's start on deck 3. They're gutting the old conference center to make way for 29 new inside cabins. So if you have enjoyed a meeting or time spent in this area, say goodbye. Royal has seen a better way to utilize this space to enhance their bottom line, to make that money. Now let's move to deck 6. A section of the Vitality Cafe is being converted into 5 new staterooms. So move over Vitality. Maybe the most controversial is the change taking place on decks 11 and 12. They are taking over the space formerly occupied by Wonderland. Yes, the Alice in Wonderland inspired themed restaurant, well, it's moving away. And in its place, we're getting premium high deck cabins. More about that later. Now on deck 14, part of the Adventure Ocean Kids Club and a section of the solarium are being swapped for nearly 30 more rooms, ranging from balcony cabins to large ocean views. But the real headline is the accommodation upgrade. Harmony is finally getting the ultimate family suite. That's the 2-story masterpiece with the in-room slide that we first saw on Symphony of the Seas and Wonder of the Seas. Well, Harmony will now have it right here. But wait, there's more. We are seeing the introduction of the ultimate Panoramic Suites. This is really exciting, so let me give you all the tea. The ultimate Panoramic Suites are set to be one of the most significant architectural additions to Harmony of the Seas during its 2026 amplification. Here's why. You're gonna get the captain's view. Okay, let me tell you what I'm talking about. Unlike traditional suites located usually midship or aft, these new suites are being built into deck 14, directly above the bridge wings. It's going to be the closest thing to being the captain of the ship without actually having to drive it. Now, because they sit over the side of the ship with a forward-facing angle, they offer an incredible 200-degree unobstructed view of the ocean and the ship's destination. These are essentially infinite ocean view suites on steroids. Now here is one thing that I want you to note. They do not have an open air balcony. Instead, they have an entire exterior wall. It's just comprised of floor to ceiling, wall to wall glass. Let me give you some of the specs for this ultimate suite. These suites are designed to bridge the gap between a grand suite and the star class experience. They typically sleep up to 4 guests, featuring a primary bedroom area, and a convertible living space. You can expect to have upgraded split bathroom designs with high-end finishes and a view-focused soaking tub or shower. On Oasis class ships, these are positioned in the Sky class tier. This means guests get concierge service. Things like personalized packing, unpacking, and priority reservations, exclusive access to coastal kitchen, the dining suite for guests only, Voom, surf, and stream, high-speed internet included for every guest in the room. Of course, we're talking about priority boarding, priority departure, the VIP treatment from curb to cabin. And another reason that they're a game changer, if you don't already have enough reasons to see why, is because of the lighting that's involved. Because the entire wall is glass, these rooms provide the best natural light, great for everything from family fun, reading, filming, and photography on the entire ship. They offer a star class view without the 5-figure price tag of a Royal Loft Suite, making them that sweet spot for luxury travelers who prioritize the vista over a balcony. Royal Caribbean is reclaiming space from the Adventure Ocean and Solarium areas on Deck 14 to fit these in. This means these suites will have incredibly convenient access to the pool deck and the ship's front-facing observation areas. So I'm going to give you a pro tip right now. Look for category VP for ultimate panoramic view. Remember, these don't exist yet. You're going to look for that on the new 2026 deck plans. Since there are only a handful of these being added, they will likely sell out the moment the general sale for the amplified season opens. So keep that in mind. Let's move on to the next big thing, the largest casino at sea. If you like to play in the adult arcade, or AKA the casino, Harmony is about to become your favorite ship. Royal Caribbean is expanding Casino Royale to make it the largest in the entire fleet. Now to do this, they are removing the attic, which is the comedy club, and the Crown Lounge from Deck 4. The comedy shows are moving to the Royal Theater, and the Crown Lounge is going to head up to Deck 15. Well, this expansion means more slots, more tables, and crucially, a much larger non-smoking casino area, which has been a huge request from my clients. How about you? How many of you play in the casino? And are you excited about this upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. There's more to talk about beyond the rooms and the casino. We're getting the Pesky Parrot. This is that tiki bar that debuted on Utopia of the Seas. Well, it's going to be replacing the Bionic bar. The Pesky Parrot has been a huge success with its laid-back beach vibes. So now Bionic is out and the beach vibes are in. How many of you have used the Bionic bar? Will you miss it? Let me know. We're also getting the Samba Grill, the Brazilian steakhouse. It's back. And who doesn't love meat continually served to you on skewers? There's a reimagined pool deck, think resort style vibes, private casitas, and the lime and coconut bar taking center stage. All right, I've given you the great news, right? Well, here is the right recipe for your wallet. When a ship goes into dry dock, Royal Caribbean often opens bookings before the new deck plans are even fully updated in the system. So here's the trick. Look for sailings in late 2026 and 2027. Often the guarantee, GTY, categories for suites or balconies are priced based on the old ship capacity. Now, once the ship emerges in May of 2026 and the world sees this new ultimate family suite and panoramic rooms, those prices will skyrocket. So if you book a suite guarantee now, you have a statistical chance of getting assigned one of these brand new high value rooms at the old school price. Listen, check the link in my description for my current Harmony 2026 deal sheet, where I've highlighted the best weeks to grab these before the prices jump, as well as a suite class comparison. And of course, if you are ready to book, drop in the comments your date and your family size so that I can give you a free, personalized quote and deliver you some great travel advisor customer service throughout your entire cruise vacation. Would you trade a comedy club for a bigger casino? Let me know in the comments. And if you want the full breakdown of the new deck plans, don't forget to like and subscribe to Right Recipe for Travel and check the link in my description. I know that was so much information. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you take advantage of the trick to get you some great prices on the reimagined, amplified Harmony of the Seas. Thanks so much for joining me. And remember, you can join us live every Tuesday evening, 7 p.m. Central. All right, that's it for right now. Thanks for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.